Good morning, students. Welcome to Geography class, Unit 1, Asia and Europe. Today's topic is resource base and economic activities of Asia. Mineral resources. Asia has a variety of mineral deposits such as iron, coal, manganese, bauxite, zinc, tungsten, petroleum, tin, etc. Oil and natural gas found in West Asian countries. One third of the world's oil is produced in Asia. Iran has the wealth of mineral resources. The important minerals found in Asia are iron ore. Asia has the largest deposits of iron ore in the world. China and India are the largest producers of iron ore in Asia. Other countries such as Turkey, Philippines, Malaysia, Thailand and Myanmar also produces iron ore. Coal. Coal is a fossil fuel. Asia has the largest deposits of coal in the world. China and India are the largest producers of coal in Asia. Mineral oil. The largest petroleum reserves are found in Southwest Asia. The important petroleum producing countries are Saudi Arabia, Kuwait, Iran, Bahrain, Qatar, UAE, South China, Malaysia, Brunei, Indonesia, India and Russia. Bauxite. Bauxite is found in India and Indonesia. India is the largest producer of mica in the world. Tin is found in Myanmar, Thailand, Malaysia and Indonesia. Agriculture. Only about 18% of the total area is cultivated in Asia. Agriculture is the chief occupation of the people. Asia has the rich alluvial soil. India has the largest area of arable lands in Asia. Iraq practices agricultural activities due to rainfall as well as the supply of water from Euphrates and Tigris rivers. Rice and wheat are the staple food crops in Asia. China and India are the leading producers of rice in the world. Other countries which produces rice are Myanmar, Japan, Bangladesh and Thailand. Thailand is called as the rice bowl of Southeast Asia because this country is suitable for rice cultivation and they can cultivate rice in abundance due to rainfall, fertile plains and availability of the labor. Wheat. Wheat also is produced in Asia. Russia, India, China and Pakistan are the leading producers of wheat in Asia. Millets like bajra, jowar, ragi, sorghum are grown in the drier parts of Asia. Few countries in Asia even cultivate pulses, spices and oil seeds. Jute and cotton are cultivated in Asia. One third of the world's cotton is produced by Asia. The major country which produces cotton are China, India, Russia, Pakistan, Bangladesh, etc. Sugarcane is cultivated in tropical wet and dry climate. India, Indonesia and Philippines are the countries which produces sugarcane. Tea, coffee, rubber, palm trees, cocoa are the plantation crops which are seen in India, Sri Lanka, Thailand, Vietnam, Malaysia and Indonesia. Malaysia and Thailand are the leading producers of natural rubber. Dates are produced in West Asia. Iran is the largest producer of dates in the world. Fishing is an important economic activity in Asia. China and Japan are the leading fishing nations. Cambodia Tonle Sap Lake is one of the world's richest sources of freshwater fishing. Maldives gets its national income from fishing. Bahrain is known for its pearl fishing ground. Industrial regions. China, Japan and India are known for its industrial regions. Transport is the backbone of the economic development of a region. Roadway is the most common mode of transport in Asia. Roadways. The Asian highway connects Tokyo to Turkey, Russia to Indonesia, and the total length of road is 141,000 kilometers. It passes through 32 countries. The Asian Highway 1 AH1 is the longest highway among the Asian highway network. It connects Tokyo to Turkey. The Asian Highway 43 AH43 runs from Agra in India to Matara in Sri Lanka. Railways. The Trans-Siberian Railways is the longest rail route in the world. It is transcontinental railway. The Trans-Asian Railway links Singapore and Istanbul in Turkey. The Shinkansen bullet train is the world-famous super express train that runs between Osaka and Tokyo in Japan at a speed of 352 kilometers per hour. The Indian railway network is the second largest railway network in Asia. Waterways. The Cape of Good Hope route connects Europe and South Asia. The Suez Canal, the world trade route, and connects Europe with South and Southeast Asia. Tokyo, Shanghai, Singapore, Hong Kong, Chennai, Mumbai, Karachi and Dubai are the important seaports in Asia. Cultural mosaic of Asia. Population. Asia is the most populated continent in the world. 6/10 of the world's population lives in Asia. The countries like China and India alone covers 3/5 of Asia's population. Bangladesh, Indonesia, Japan, Pakistan and Philippines have more than 100 million populations. The population density in Asia is 143 persons per kilometers. India, Japan, Bangladesh and Singapore have the highest population density in Asia. Religion and language. Hinduism, Islam, Buddhism, Christianity and Sikhism are the major creeds in Asia. The minor creeds are Zoroastrianism, Jainism, Shintoism, Confucianism and Taoism are practiced in Asia. The languages spoken in Asia are Mandarin, English, Indonesian, Japanese, Arabic, Korean, Vietnamese and Hindi. Art and architecture. Asia is the homeland of 3 civilizations such as Mesopotamian, Indus Valley and Chinese civilizations. Among the seven wonders of the world, two are located in Asia, such as Taj Mahal in India, the Great Wall of China. The people of Yemen built a mud skyscraper 1,000 years ago. Angkor Wat in Cambodia, Buddhist temple in East and Southeast Asia, mosque in West Asia, and temples and forts in India are known for its fine Asian architecture. Food, rice, wheat, maize, and barley are the staple food in Asia. Dairy products, fruits, and nuts are also consumed. East Asia consumes bread and noodles as their staple food. Tea, coffee, and green tea are also consumed by them. West Asia has meat, herbs, and olive oil for their food ingredients. Dance and music. Yangi, dragon dance, and kabaki are popular in East Asia, whereas in Thailand, Ramthai is important. In India, Bhangra, Kathak, and Bharatanatyam are the important dances. Music like Sufi music, Arabic, classical music are the common music in West Asia. Tinikling is the national dance of Philippines. Festivals. The Mid-Autumn Festival or Moon Festival in China, Taiwan, and Vietnam. Holi, Makara Sankranti or Pongal are the major festivals of some parts of India. Sukkot in Israel is the important harvest festival of Asia. The Snow Sculpture Festival, Chinese New Year, Thaipusam Diwali, Taiwan Lantern Festival, Songkran Winter Light Festival are few of the famous festivals in Asia. Land of contrasts. Asia is the biggest continent. It has mountain, plateau, plain, valley, bay, island, etc. In Asia, many races, languages, religions, and cultures are followed by the people. Thus, Asia is known as the land of contrasts. Dear students, I sum up. Today we have learned about mineral resources, agriculture, fishing, industrial regions, transport, roadways, railways, waterways, population, religion and language, art and architecture, food, dance and music, festival, and land of contrasts. Thank you students for watching and listening my video.